ऑफर इतना बड़ा बड़ा ऐसे लिखते हैं जैसे पता नहीं क्या ही फ्री में दे रहे हैं. But hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing amazing. In today's video I'm going to share all the things which I got from Nykaa. Now usually I share affordable drugstore products with you guys, but this time I picked up a few luxurious high-end expensive products. So I'm going to share my first ever experience of buying these expensive products from Nykaa, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bells on so that you get notified each time I upload a video. And now let's First and foremost, the packaging of these luxurious expensive products is completely different from the normal products. This is how the box looks like. It's black in color. It's very chic, very classy. So all the luxurious products came in this box and the normal affordable products came in the regular box. Very first product which I have is a lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It's the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color Collection, and this is how the main lipstick looks like. It's in the shade Topped with Brandy. Already used this lipstick in the past in the shade Carnivorous, and I absolutely love this collection, and that's why I ordered another shade. So this is how the swatch looks like. It's a beautiful nude color, perfect for brown Indian skin tone. This is for rupees 2200, which is really expensive for one lipstick, but as I told you, it's a high-end luxurious brand. Now this formula is completely transfer proof and smudge proof, and also it's like very pigmented. The color payoff is amazing. As you can see in one swatch how amazing this looks. You don't have to apply too much of the quantity. It will last you like very long. Definitely 2200 rupees for just one lipstick is a lot, but definitely its quality is just fabulous. I mean, luxurious and high-end products की quality आपको एक swatch में definitely पता लग जाती है, because you can see a visible difference between these affordable drugstore products and these high-end products. I'm not in favor of those bullet lipsticks which don't even last long and are still very expensive, but definitely these transfer-proof lipsticks are my favorite. Next, I want you to try the classic strobe cream from MAC Cosmetics. This is how the packaging looks like. It's very small. It's the small variant, but it's very tiny. This is how the main product looks like. It pretty much looks like a sample. It's that tiny. You can see how small this is, but this is for rupees 1050. Yes, I'm not kidding, it's that expensive, but it's the classic strobe cream and everyone uses this. I mean, all of the people who are into high-end products. So I'm going to show you a very tiny swatch, because obviously it's so expensive. I can't waste it for a swatch. So this is how it looks like. I think it's perfect for that dewy base, and if you want that glowing dewy base makeup, this is perfect. Now usually the strobe creams which are very affordable have got that tiny glitter particles, which I absolutely hate. So I think this one is just perfect because it does not have any glitter particles whatsoever. So it can be used in two ways. You can mix it with your foundation to get that dewy base, or use it as a highlighter on your high points. Also, it's like very hydrating, so your skin won't feel dry. Perfect for the dewy base and definitely worth the money, I would say, because those affordable strobe creams are like very cheap in quality in terms of the formula. They've got very tiny glitter particles, which I absolutely hate. ये वाली strobe cream से काफ़ी natural आपका makeup लगेगा, and at the same time you will get that extra glow. So yes, try करने के लिए you can pick up this small variant. Because I got these two things, there was this offer on the brand on which they were giving a few samples, which I absolutely hate. I don't recommend you to buy anything just because of the freebies. They're completely useless, but I'll just show you regardless. First one is a fixer. Again, a classic product, but can you see? This is what they have given me. It is so tiny, even smaller than my index finger. So useless, but free में मिला है. You can use this before or after your makeup. Lastly, I've got this water bottle. It's a glass water bottle, so this is how it looks like. This is still very useful for obvious reason, but that makeup fixer is completely useless. It's so small. एक या दो यूज़ में ख़त्म हो जाएगा, so useless है. So definitely मैंने ये offer देख के products नहीं buy किए थे. I really wanted to try those products. Next, I got some hair products. I wanted to try out a shampoo from an expensive brand. Although the drugstore shampoos are just amazing, but still मुझे try करना था. So I picked up this one from Aveda. It's their Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo, and I got the same conditioner as well. This is for rupees 750, this is for rupees 750, and the shampoo is 50 ml and this is 40 ml. And again इसके साथ offer था. They gave some samples for free. Offer इतना बड़ा ऐसे लिखते हैं जैसे पता नहीं क्या ही free में दे रहे हैं, but these are the samples which they gave me. This is a conditioner. This is again a conditioner, and what is this? This is a scalp revitalizer. This is how it looks like. I'll just show you the size of these samples. Can you see? Again, index finger jitna hai ye dono. Just look at this. I mean, giving 2 conditioners with the conditioner I already bought makes no sense. And these are not even for sale. Still they gave me this and this free fertilizer. And इनकी हालत इतनी ज़्यादा ख़राब है. They have covered the expiry date, so I can't even see the expiry date. So I don't trust these samples, these freebies at all. Moving on to some affordable products. Firstly, I've got a lipstick from NYX Cosmetics. It's a powder puff collection and it is in the shade Squad Goals. I've already used this and I absolutely love this lipstick. Again, I'll show you the swatch. It's a nude pink color. Perfect for, again, Indian brown skin tone. And this one is also long lasting but not that transfer proof. कुछ discount था, around 300 rupees की मुझे पड़ी, which was a great deal. Next, I've got a moisturizer from Cetaphil. This is how it looks like. This is a smaller variant. इसमें बड़ा भी आता है. I like the smaller variant, that's why I got this. And this is for rupees. I'll insert the price on the screen. Lastly, I've got 2 eye products. First one being a sketch liner from Lakme. I wanted this for so long. Again, this was on 50% off, so it was a great deal, so I got this. This is how the swatch looks like. It's an amazing eyeliner and perfect for beginners because आपको बार बार dip नहीं करना पड़ता. You can directly apply. The only problem is that it dries out quickly, so you will have to take care of that, but otherwise it's a perfect eyeliner. Lastly, I got a kajal from Color Bar. Color Bar is one of my most favorite affordable brands. This is how the kajal looks like. I've got a special discount code for you guys on Color Bar, so you can directly shop from their website and get an extra discount using my code, which I will insert on the screen as well as in the description box. So if you want to buy any of the Color Bar items, you can buy it at the discount without any sale going on. So special discount for you guys. So yeah, these were all the products which I got from Nykaa. The overall experience was fine. I love shopping from Nykaa. But buying these luxurious products is not a problem. The problem is that the offers that they show on their website, they show as if they're giving something so expensive, so great, but that's what they give in the name of freebies. All of these samples are not for sale. You don't know their expiry date, and as you saw, they are so tiny and so useless. So I don't think इनको ऐसे offer लगा के अपने high-end products sell करने चाहिए. Yeah, if they give extra discount on these high-end brands, that would be great, but definitely not these freebies. So a tip for you guys, if you're shopping online, just make sure you don't buy products just because of these freebies. Spend your money wisely. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Do like, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn the notification bells on so that every time I upload a video you get notified, and don't forget to come back for more videos.